Welcome back. Today we're comparing CachyOS versus Bazzite versus Linux Mint, which Linux distribution is the best choice. CachyOS is optimized for speed and performance, making it a great choice for gamers, developers, and power users who want maximum efficiency. Bazzite is designed specifically for gaming, offering a console-like experience with built-in Steam support, game mode features, and easy access to popular gaming tools right out of the box. Linux Mint focuses on stability, simplicity, and ease of use. Its familiar Windows-like interface, reliable updates, and beginner-friendly design make it perfect for new Linux users in everyday computing. The overall winner is CachyOS because it delivers outstanding performance, modern optimizations, excellent gaming support, and the flexibility to handle both demanding workloads and everyday tasks with ease. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.